Hey guys, it's Aslam Du Toit from aslamdutoit.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 7 books that you should definitely read if you are in the network marketing industry. What's up everyone, it's Aslam Du Toit from aslamdutoit.com, and today I'm speaking about my top 7 books. If you're in network marketing and you want to make a success of it, these are books you definitely want to read. Now this is by no means an all-encompassing list. I'm sure there are thousands of books out there. So if you do know of other books that I don't cover here, feel free to drop a comment below. But these are my top 7 books, and I hope you find some value from it. Because they say that leaders are readers, and you've got to be able to pass on knowledge to your team, because in network marketing it's all about duplication and coaching your team to do the same things that you do. So without further ado, let's jump into the top 7 list. Number 7 is the 45-minute presentation by Don Failla. Now I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but this book is probably somewhere around 40 years old, I think. And it goes into great detail, explaining what a network marketing business is. So it's great as well if you want to give a book like this to someone who has doubts about the industry. You can give them this book to read. I have many of these books on ebook or PDF form. I read them on Amazon Kindle mostly. I very rarely buy books these days. You can see I've got a couple of books here behind me, but I tend to read most of my books on Amazon Kindle, lately. But that's an awesome book to get started with. If you don't know anything about the industry, also give it to your team. Number 6 is Your First Year in Network Marketing by Mark Yarnell, a complete legendary book. Okay, I give this to every new person that starts in my team, because it goes into detail in terms of what they can expect in network marketing. Which a lot of other books don't cover. People get in thinking that they're just going to become millionaires overnight. This book kind of brings you back down to earth and helps you just, contextualize what to expect in the industry and how to build your business. Okay, number 5 is more of a technique book. It's called GoPro by Eric Worre. Eric Worre needs no introduction. He runs the GoPro events every year. He runs tons of videos. He's, prolific online. But a phenomenal book. It shows you 7 steps to building your network marketing business. So, I also give this book to all your new people. Let them buy the book, because it'll take a lot of the training you need to do away from you, because they can then employ the same techniques that you are employing from that book. Number 4 is a bit of a controversial book, but I love this book. I didn't understand it the first time I read it, but I use the techniques in this book right now, and it's working very, very well for me. It's called Magnetic Sponsoring by Mike Dillard. Now, when the book was written in 2005, a lot of people said, the techniques are not duplicatable. And here's the thing, when I was doing presentations in people's homes every single night in and night out, how duplicatable is that? Think about it. Because so many times you bring people into your business and they are just not prepared to do the same things that you do. So in Magnetic Sponsoring, he postulates a completely different way of building your business, and he also goes into the psychological reasons why people sign up with you. And why some top earners become top earners overnight while you probably struggling to build your business. So this is a really great book. It can go a bit over your head, like it did mine about 2 or 3 years ago when he started speaking about the technical stuff. But that is where book number 3 comes in. It's called Attraction Marketing Formula. It is not available on Amazon. You can only buy it through one particular company. You can actually, I'll just point out that I am an affiliate in this company, but check out the book in the link that I'll drop below. This puts together magnetic sponsoring in terms of giving you the blueprint of how to set yourself up online so that you can build your business and build a brand online so that you can attract customers to you. Because most people, when they go on online with network marketing lately, it's about spamming people online. They don't know how to build network marketing businesses online. And recently the likes of Eric Worre have jumped onto the social media training bandwagon because they saw that the industry is changing and it's evolving. And if they don't get onto that, onto it soon, it's going to be an opportunity that passes. And it all stemmed from that first book, Magnetic Sponsoring. And the system that was basically formed from magnetic sponsoring is what you'll find in Attraction Marketing Formula. They are the pioneers with driving this particular way of building the business. Okay, so definitely check that out. And then the next book is called The Slight Edge. This one I do have a copy of, a hard copy. It's by Jeff Olson. It's called The Slight Edge. And, it's turning simple disciplines into massive success and happiness. Now, this is a mindset book because mindset is what's going to help you become successful, okay? And, without having the proper mindset and without having the proper daily disciplines, you'll probably be spinning your wheels, not knowing what to do or how to build your business. This book puts it into perspective for you. So definitely grab that book. And my number one book for building a network marketing business is a book called Mark II with Your Hair on Fire by Richard Bliss Brooke. Now, if you've ever read Think and Grow Rich, this is Think and Grow Rich for network marketers, okay? And I think he actually says that in the book. I know there's a revised version as well. I think this one came out in 2000 and the revised version came out in 2006, but either one is cool. Grab this book. It'll get you into the mindset and get your visualization techniques right so that you can get yourself to the successful, or get your mind to that level of success, or, to get yourself geared for success in your mind before you can, manifest it in your bank account, because success leaves clues. And if you follow the success principles that have been taught in books like Think and Grow Rich, or in this Mark II with Your Hair on Fire, where he explains how he went from being a chicken farmer or working in a chicken factory to becoming a multi-millionaire through network marketing, that is what you need to take you to the next level. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video on my top 7 books for network marketers. If you found value, drop a message below. If you found value, share it with a friend. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you click on the subscribe button below. I will see you in the next video. It's Aslam Du Toit signing off.